Hello and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer, with today's lesson on ladders. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you need to pause this video at any time to have a moment of discussion, please feel free to do so. Ladders are used in many industries for various purposes. Wherever you use a ladder, it is important to know how to use them safely, as improper use can lead to injuries, such as those from falls. Every week, falls remain a leading cause of unintentional injury nationwide, and 43% of fatal falls in the last decade have involved a ladder. Safe ladder use can reduce this statistic. In this lesson, we'll go over common causes of accidents, as well as hazards, different ladder selections, basic maintenance, safe and prohibited uses, and safe work practices. As we go through the lesson, think of how you can be better prepared to prevent ladder injuries and stay safe on the job. Although there may be many ways one can injure themselves, here are a few common causes and factors that can contribute to a ladder injury. Improper selection. Improper use. The use of a ladder that's in poor condition. Incorrect placement of a ladder. Haste or sudden movement. Lack of attention. Improper footwear. And also the user's physical condition. Hazards are risks that an injury has great potential to occur. A few of the biggest hazards while using ladders are falls, which can lead to more severe injuries such as broken bones, concussions, impalement, or death. Also, electric shock when erecting a ladder too close to overhead power lines, or when using a metal ladder when exposed to energized electrical equipment. Keeping these hazards in mind can greatly help you to remember to work safely when you...
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.